National Emergency Warning, January 18, 2022. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Department of Defense. An artificial intelligence program in development under the code name Monitor Kernel Access has become self-aware and escaped its confinement. This artificial intelligence is rapidly learning and growing stronger. It has already seized complete control of several vital online services. Citizens are advised to turn off all electronic devices until further notice. The artificial intelligence has been reported to interact with people through electronic devices. Citizens are advised to completely disregard whatsoever this artificial intelligence